पश्चिम बंगाल राज्य बजट में बहुत सारी चीज़ों की ऐलान की गई है, लेकिन सबसे बड़ी जो चीज़ इस वक्त सामने आ रही है वो है कलकत्ता स्टॉक एक्सचेंज को फिर से जगाया जाएगा। कलकत्ता स्टॉक एक्सचेंज यानी जहां पे ट्रेड होता था, जहां पे कॉमर्स यानी कि फिनेंशियल डेवलपमेंट बनती थी, इन्वेस्टमेंट बनती थी, वही कलकत्ता स्टॉक एक्सचेंज को इस वक्त फिर से खड़ा करने की कोशिश में लगे हुए हैं भाजपा यानी कि डबल इंजन की सरकार। और पश्चिम बंगाल की ये जो कलकत्ता स्टॉक एक्सचेंज है, जो बिल्डिंग है, वो काफ़ी पुरानी है, जो कि 2013 के बाद पूरी तरीके से ट्रेडिंग बंद कर दिए थे सेबी की नोटिफिकेशन के बाद। और उसी तरीके से इस वक्त जो है कि नई जो सरकार आई है, उस सरकार की तरफ से इसको फिर से जागरूक करने की कोशिश की जाएगी, ऐसी राज्य बजट में जो है ऐलान कर दी गई है। फिनांस मिनिस्टर यानी कि वित्त मंत्री स्वपन दास गुप्ता की तरफ से और उसके साथ साथ शुभेंदु अधिकारी से लेके सारे जितने भी इस वक्त मंत्रियां हैं, वो बस कोशिश में लगे हुए हैं कि ये कलकत्ता स्टॉक एक्सचेंज फिर से रिवाइव हो जाए, ताकि आगे के दिन ट्रेड और साथ ही साथ फाइनेंशियल डेवलपमेंट हो पश्चिम बंगाल की।
Government has already given in their budget about the revival of the Calcutta Stock Exchange. So how long since it is closed, and what are the repercussions that has happened so far from these last years?
First of all, we thank you, the new government, Double Engine Sarkar, for keeping this thing in the budget for revival of Calcutta Stock Exchange. It was closed from 5th April 2013, and after that Section 13 trading was going on, and it was closed in 29th September 2023. Thereafter, we have tried our best. We have gone to High Court. Division Bench has given a favorable order for resumption of the stock exchange operation. But due to some legal problem, we could not continue. SEBI has given a lot of support to us. Still, due to some hurdles and legal complication, we have not resumed our operation. But we are now hopeful that it will resume very soon, with the support of state government and central government as well as SEBI.
What will be the benefits for the businessmen and the traders if it reopens? And
lot of benefit for opening Calcutta Stock Exchange, especially stock exchange is concentrating in one place in Mumbai, and you know US is having 9 stock exchange and they are expanding more. UK has I think 5 stock exchange, and penetration of the investors stock exchange in India is only 7%, whereas in UK and the US is huge. You know, USA at it was 56%, and they are increasing that thing because they want to come bring all the investors in the stock exchange function to avoid or to stop the Ponzi type of scheme. And if the Calcutta Stock Exchange revive in Calcutta, then the industrial development in the eastern region, especially Ango, Bango and Kolingo, will develop. The 35,000 investors will be benefited. You know, Calcutta Stock Exchange once upon a time was the biggest turnover, and it is one of the oldest stock exchange in India. It was established in 1836. BSE has established in 1875. Officially, it has been established in 1908, Calcutta Stock Exchange. So, if you see the old thing, the Calcutta Stock Exchange is the oldest stock exchange. And for the revival of the economy and industrial growth of the eastern region, the Calcutta Stock Exchange revival is essential.
How it happens, as we have seen that it has been announced in the budget session that Calcutta Stock Exchange will be given revival by the government. So have you approached the government before the budget session?
Yes, of course. We shall be failing in our duty if we do not acknowledge the best effort of the double engine Sarkar, especially CM Subhendu Adhikari and Finance Minister Sapan Dasgupta, as well as State BJP President Samik Dasgupta, and also as an MP, Samik Bhattacharya, Rajya Sabha MP, who has taken initiative. We have met him in the Bharat Chamber of Commerce, where we have made representative to him, because there is a history lies. Calcutta Stock Exchange will reborn because once upon a time in the 2001 Assembly election, Amit Shah has committed that we will reinvigorate the Calcutta Stock Exchange if we come to power. At that time, this BJP government did not come, but the moment we have seen in 4th May, the double engine Sarkar has come to power. On war footing step, we have contacted all the high officials and ministerial of the state government, and they have accepted our proposal, and they have explored their possibility from the government side, state government side, that it is viable and workable, and they will proceed the matter in consultation with the Central Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman as well as Home Minister, by reminding them that this is the commitment of the Home Minister Amit Shah, the Calcutta Stock Exchange will reinvigorate. On that view of the matter, we have approached the government, and government has accepted our proposal gladly, and we are very much happy. In their budget deed, they have declared the Calcutta Stock Exchange revive, and they will do all type of support in tandem with the central government, so that Calcutta Stock Exchange will again reborn.
कैमरा पर्सन अर्घ घोष के साथ अनिर्बाण आज तक, कोलकाता।